2 years in the forex market taught me more than just trading. It taught me a lot of things that I don't see on these courses and YouTube channels. And I don't know, it's like all these forex gurus and influencers deliberately do not talk about it. I don't know if it's because they are not trading normally, they are just influencing. And when real traders talk about it, they don't really emphasize on it enough, because these are important things that I had to learn the hard way when I was trading. And I will tell you now, so that it will save you the stress of finding out yourself. Because if you find out yourself, trust me, it's not going to be good, because you're going to lose a lot of money. Number one of these things is that do not start forex with much money, with a large amount of money. If you don't have money at all and you are struggling to feed yourself, do not do forex. Forex is not for you yet. Find money first. But even after seeing that money, do not deposit big amounts at first, because trust me, you're going to lose it. And if you say, okay, you know how to trade, you have backtested, you have demo trade, deposit it first. Anything you see there, the only thing I will tell you is don't use at least $10. Use like $10, $20 to trade. Do not deposit big amounts. Okay. The second thing I want to tell you about trading that people don't always say is that whenever you enter the market, if you just enter the market like this and you see an entry, don't take that entry. Do not take that entry, because you see, the forex market is like it's not even forex alone, even crypto markets and all other markets, they are like tricksters. Do you get? They will you have had this thing before, that traders will say the market engineers liquidity and then takes it out rather. So the market always sets people up, sets traps for beginners and newbies and people that don't have enough experience. You get? It will engineer liquidity. So it will print stuff that you see like, this is engulfing candle now, this is doji now, this is 3 stars now. You will see things that will be telling you that it's a buy, but it's not. Oh. Or if you say a sell, you say it will print things that makes you see different things. So once you enter market and you are seeing it and you want to take that trade, don't let temptation hold you. Just stay back and analyze the charts. Analyze it for like 30 minutes before you now say, okay, now I see a confirmation, let me enter. Do you understand? Please, I'm telling you this. Okay. Number three, this second one brings me to the third one that says that learn entry. I mean, learn entry separately, not analysis, not strategy, not anything. Learn entry model. If you know how important this thing is and they don't talk about it, like entry should be a course on its own in forex, because you see, your analysis can be correct, your strategy can be right, everything. Even if you are using indicators and you know how to use them, your indicators might be right, but you see, entry deals with timing. Do you get? So if you don't get that timing right, you just be hitting stop loss, and after your stop loss, your trade will still go your way. I be like, what's happening? Are these people monitoring me? They are not monitoring you. It's you that did not learn entry. You have to learn how to enter with patience. Anyways, that's number three. Number four, set realistic goals. Do not want to turn $20 to $1,000 within a week. It's not possible. Set realistic goal. $20 to 50. $20 to 70. $70 to 150. Do not want to turn. You will be copying O1C or someone that is always flipping mad, and you'll be like, oh, this person. Do not copy those kind of people. It's very dangerous for you. Okay. Set realistic goals both in your trading and in your overall risk management. You get? $20 to $70. Set like, take your TP. I don't know how else I want to explain. Just set realistic goals. And also, when you make big money, you get, when you make like substantial amount of money, withdraw. That's my number 5 lesson. When you make, like, let's say you do that, sell $20 to $70, withdraw $20, leave $50 there. Chop, use the money and do something for yourself. Don't let forex turn you to homeless person. Forex, don't let me even go to myself, but please withdraw as you go along, and also scale up. Know how to scale up. Leave some money, increase lot size as you scale up. Do you get? That's all I want to say, because I don't see this on other platforms. People don't talk about it, and it's always very frustrating when you are the one finding out by losing money. But anyways, that's all I have to say for you. Keep it rolling dice.